Yeah, hello. Here we got Pearce Simpson Super Cheetah, and yeah, sort of refresh, and just give you a quick demo, see how it all goes, eh? You got some local 35, local channels, local stations on 35. Just scoot around a little bit. Yeah, A&L is working very nicely. Sometimes 30 up, I might get Indonesia. Nothing at the moment, not quiet. 16 lower side. A lot of hash. Got my next door with a charger running, so yep, it's hitting me hard. Yeah, all good, all working well. Anyway, read the description for everything that's done. Should be all good. Running very nicely. Everything's A-okay. Yep, thanks for watching. Okay, audio test. Yep, recording into an SDR receiver on channel 19. There we go. You can see that spectrum display there. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, next we'll do a test on the lower sideband. Okay, just had to switch that SDR receiver into lower side. Okay, there we go. So lower side, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Yep, nice and solid. Finally, we're going to do a test on AM as well. And AM. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Yep, working fine. Got a nice solid carrier there. And there you go. That's the transmission test from this Pearce Simpson Super Cheetah Mark 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.